One, two, three, four. What's up, YouTubers? It's Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play this awesome, nice, easy song. Easy. By the Commodores. Let's start with putting a capo on the first fret, please. Standard tuning, cape 1. We only got 4 or 5 chords happening. G major, 2, 3, pinky, B minor, bar 2nd fret like that, 3rd finger, pinky and 2nd finger, A minor shape, 2, 3, 4, and D major. Nice. So after the first verse, let's see. We're gonna hang on A minor, 3, 4, and D major. 2, 3 is gonna take us to the chorus. F major, E over C, D7 to G. Second verse, let's go. Chorus. F major. That's going to take us to the bridge, which is F major, E minor, a quick E minor, D minor, G. So this strumming is. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more awesome tunes. Thank you guys.